Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the praise and worship song, The Battle Belongs to the Lord. This is a great upbeat song that's used frequently in worship services. In my description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar tabs that you can download and print out the lyrics and chord sheet to this song and follow along as we learn this song together. So let's get started. And we sing glory, honor, power and strength to the Lord. And we sing glory, honor, power and strength to the Lord. Power and strength to the Lord. Power and strength to the Lord. Okay, that's the chorus to this song, and this song is played in the key of E minor. I know there's not a lot of songs played in that particular key, but it's a great upbeat song. So the chords used to play this song are E minor, D major, and C major, and G major. Okay, this makes up the chords for this. Okay, just a quick review on how to play each of these chords. To play E minor, you place finger number 2 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, strum all strings. This is E minor. Okay, next is D major. To play D major, you place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and then you can strum the bottom 4 or 5 strings. D major. Okay, next is C major. To play C major, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, skip a string and place finger number 2 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, and then stretch your 3rd finger to string number 5 on the 3rd fret. Strum all strings but this top E string. C major. Okay, lastly is G major. To play G major, you place finger number 1 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the very top E string, string number 6 on the 3rd fret, and then your little finger, finger number 4, on the very first E string on the 3rd fret. Strum all strings. This is G major. Okay, we'll look at the strumming pattern for this song. The time signature is 4/4. There's 4 beats per measure. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. This song is typically played around 120 beats per minute, so it's a pretty fast song. Okay, the strumming pattern for this song may vary between individuals, but I'm going to be using down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up. Okay, let's look at the chord progression of the verse. Again, it starts off in E minor, and I'll play this kind of slow. In heavenly armor we'll enter the land. The battle belongs to the Lord. No weapons that fashioned against us will stand. The battle belongs to the Lord. Okay, let's play through this one time kind of slow. Starts with E minor. In heavenly armor we'll enter the land. E minor. Okay, you're only playing that D major just for a couple of strums or so. Okay, so let's look at the chord progression on the chorus. We'll be ending the verse on E minor and go directly into the chorus into D. And if you look at the the chords are placed right up above the syllables of the words when these chords need to be strummed. Okay, so in other words, D will be played when we sing the word sing, and then glory, you got G and D, and then honor, you're going to play C, D, G, honor. Okay, so those are going to be just kind of a single down strum on each one of those syllables there. Okay, so we'll take it kind of slow. Okay, we're in the verse in E minor. And we sing glory, honor, power and strength to the Lord. And we sing glory, honor, power and strength to the Lord. Okay, let's play through that one more time. And we sing. And we sing glory, honor, power and strength to the Lord. Okay, okay, let's look at the second verse, okay? When the power of darkness comes in like a flood, the battle belongs to the Lord. He's raised up a standard, the power of his blood. The battle belongs to the Lord. And again, it goes right into the chorus. And we sing glory, honor, power and strength to the Lord. And we sing glory, honor, power and strength to the Lord. Okay. Okay, then it goes right into the third verse. So let's look at the third verse. When your enemy presses in hard, do not fear. The battle belongs to the Lord. Take courage, my friend, your redemption is near. The battle belongs to the Lord. Then it goes right into the chorus. And we sing glory, honor, power and strength to the Lord. And we sing glory, honor, power and strength to the Lord. Power and strength to the Lord. Power and strength to the Lord. Okay, you can put that little tag on the end of that as well. All right, hope you enjoyed this lesson. It's a very upbeat song and it's very enjoyable to play. If you like this video, be sure and hit the like button. And if you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscriptions so I can easily be found. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. So have a great day. God bless you.